How to make 2026 your healthiest year ever. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Food and Nutrition Expert channel. As we step into 2026, many people are making plans, new goals, new dreams, new resolutions, but today I want to ask you a very important question. What is the point of having big dreams if your health cannot support them? Because without good health, success becomes stressful, money becomes medical bills, and life becomes survival instead of enjoyment. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 2026 your healthiest year ever. Not by doing extreme things, not by starving yourself, not by expensive supplements, but by making simple, realistic, science-backed lifestyle changes that you can actually maintain, whether you are struggling with low energy, gaining weight easily, falling sick often, feeling stressed, tired, or overwhelmed. This video is for you. So grab a note, relax, and let's begin. Part 1. Change your mindset about health. The first step to healthy year is not food, it is mindset. Many people treat health like an emergency service. I will care about my health when I'm sick. But in 2026, you must flip that mindset. Health is not a reaction. It is a daily investment. Instead of asking, what medicine will cure me? Ask, what habit is harming me? Instead of what supplements should I take? Ask, what lifestyle do I need to change? Healthy people don't do everything perfectly. They just do small healthy things consistently. So make this decision today. In 2026, I will no longer ignore my body. Part 2. Master your daily nutrition. Let's talk about food because food is information, not just enjoyment. Stop eating for the tongue alone. Many people eat only for taste, not for nourishment. In 2026, ask yourself, does this food build my body or break it down? This does not mean you stop enjoying food. It means balance. Build your plate the healthy way. A simple healthy plate should look like this. Have vegetables like leafy greens, carrots, tomatoes, cabbage, and then 1/4 protein like beans, eggs, fish, chicken, soy, lentils, and then another 1/4 healthy carbohydrate like rice, yam, potatoes, whole grains. This alone can transform your health. Reduce ultra-processed foods. Ultra-processed foods include sugary drinks, excess pastries, instant noodles, fried snacks, excess refined sugar. These foods increase weight gain, blood sugar problems, hormonal imbalance, fatigue. You don't need to quit them completely. Just reduce them intentionally. Eat at the right time. Late night heavy meals stress your digestion. Healthy eating habits for 2026. Eat your largest meal earlier in the day. Keep dinner light. Avoid eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. Your digestion needs rest too. Then part 3, hydration, the most ignored health tool. Many health problems begin with dehydration. Water supports digestion, detoxification, skin health, brain function, energy levels. In 2026, start your morning with 1 to 2 1 to 2 glasses of water. Carry a water bottle. Reduce sugary drinks. If your urine is deep yellow, you need more water. Simple habits and powerful results. Then part 4, move your body daily. You don't need a gym. You don't even need to be a gym member. A gym membership to be healthy. Your body was designed to move, not sit all day. Best forms of daily movement: walking for 30 minutes daily, stretching, dancing, home workouts, household chores done actively. Movement improves blood circulation and reduces stress, balances hormones, supports weight control. In 2026, promise yourself, I will move my body every day, even if it's small. Consistency beats intensity. Part 5, sleep is non-negotiable. You cannot heal a body that never rests. Poor sleep affects immunity, weight, mental health, hormones, focus. Healthy sleep habits for 2026. So listen to this healthy sleep habit for 2026. Sleep 7 to 8 hours nightly. Reduce screen time before bed. Sleep and wake up at consistent times. Keep your sleeping environment calm and dark. Sleep is free medicine. Use it. Part 6. Manage stress before it manages you. Stress is silent but deadly. Chronic stress can cause high blood pressure, weight gain, digestive issues, anxiety, weak immunity. Healthy stress management includes deep breathing, prayer or meditation, journaling, saying no when necessary, resting without guilt. In 2026, remember, rest is not laziness, it is wisdom. Part 7. Prevention over medication. Medicine treats symptoms. Lifestyle prevents disease. In 2026, go for regular health checks. Pay attention to warning signs. Don't normalize pain, fatigue, or constant sickness. Your body speaks. Listen early. Part 8. Build healthy routines, not resolutions. Resolutions fail. Routines last. Instead of I will be healthy this year, say I will walk every morning. I will eat vegetables daily. I will sleep before 11 p.m. Small habits compound into massive health transformation. Now listen. As we move through 2026, remember this: your health is your energy, your confidence, your productivity, your quality of life. You don't need perfection. You need commitment. Start small. Start today. Stay consistent. If this video blessed you, like this video. Share it with someone you care about. Subscribe for more health and nutrition content. Let 2026 be the year you don't just survive. Let it be the year you thrive in health. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.